Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Chainlink. If you guys have Chainlink, or if you guys are invested or holding Chainlink, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel. We talk a lot about Chainlink here on the channel, so like the video and turn notifications on to be notified every time we make a new video. We see Chainlink right now at that $42 price point, a 4% increase in the last 24 hours, and it's kind of trying to consolidate with pretty much the rest of the market right now. We saw it go to $44.84 May 4th. Obviously, that is going to be our all-time high. We saw that the previous all-time high was April 15th at $44.07, so we were able to see an all-time high $44.84 May 4th, 10 a.m. So we are continuing to see great increases for Chainlink. Obviously, the all-time high kind of sinking back down now to about this $42 mark. I do think we could consolidate even a little bit more, but Chainlink is going to be one of those that is going to have a great week and month altogether. So we're going to be doing price predictions at the end of this video for May, June, and 2021. So stay tuned for those. And I also want to talk about Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So this is a big deal. Obviously, Chainlink has a ton of different partners right now, and we're actually going to cover a couple different tweets and articles real quick, and then jump into why Chainlink is so important, and then those price predictions like I promised. So we see very good potential in Chainlink. Obviously, in the last month, a lot of up and down, but for the most part, a 43.61% increase. It's looking fairly solid, and we cover it, like I said, on this channel quite a lot because of the massive potential behind it. So let's jump straight over to the Twitter account first. So here we have two different tweets I want to take a look at of myself. If you guys aren't following me on Twitter, make sure to quickly jump into the description of this video and follow me on Twitter. So you can see the first thing is I'll join in. Make sure to follow so I can DM if you win. Link to $50 end of week, or I give someone who retweets this $10 of link, or I guess 10 link. Sorry, not $10 of link. So you'll get 10 link no matter what. If there is no $50 end of week price point for Chainlink, one lucky winner you obviously have to be following will get that DM and get those 10 links. So make sure to be following and join that competition by just retweeting. Obviously, we win either way. If Chainlink makes it to $50, we win. If Chainlink doesn't make it to $50, somebody wins. So it's a big deal there. Here we say, I can't stand some of these idiotic comments. What market is this guy investing in? Commenting on VeChain like the last month has been awful. So if you guys haven't seen this, this is pretty funny. Just stop, dude. None of your price predictions are actually happening lately. I see a lot of beginners coming here using money they can't afford to lose to buy these coins because you can continue giving these predictions. Look at the market now. It's been stuck for over a month. Some coins losing 15, 20, 30% in a single day. I know you bring up this no financial advisor stuff, but somehow you're influencing these people to buy while the market is super uncertain and extremely volatile. I'll tell you right now, crypto is always volatile. That's literally what cryptocurrency is. If you don't know that, you shouldn't be investing in cryptocurrency. I talk about that quite a bit on this channel, and I'll say it right now, guys. I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as this is not financial advice. So this is what I respond with. Obviously stuck for over a month now. What market are you even investing in? VeChain is up 115% in the last month. Polygon up 101% in the last month. Chainlink up 46.48% in the last month. Those are just three random coins I chose that I talk about quite a lot on this channel. So don't blame me for your inability to buy coins that have a future. So I don't know what coins he's investing in. Maybe he's investing in things like the safe coins or moon coins. I don't know. Basically a problem there for certain people investing in the wrong coins. So make sure to invest in coins that have futures, have real use cases. Obviously, complaining about VeChain when it's up that much, what was it? 115% in the last month. That's pretty ridiculous to complain about a 115% increase in a month. But people will do it anyway. So you just be careful of that. Don't fall into those traps and holes when people are complaining about everything. So next, we have just a few reasons why I'm holding Link. So decentralized Oracle ecosystem. We have a ton of integrations. We can't really see it right here. Obviously, there's so many different ones. They wanted to put it on one list. But this is, I think, as of March 31st, 2021. So that is an insane amount of integrations. Obviously, we've had a ton since then as well. So we are continuing to see a lot of growth in Chainlink, and we also have the off-chain data and computation and on-chain data and computation. So they talk more about really why this is so important, as we have smart contract ecosystem, including obviously the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hyperledger, Tezos, Polkadot, and so on and so forth. We also have the Chainlink decentralized services on the bottom left. So just a lot of reasons why people are holding Link right now. We also go over to the highly validated data. This includes price and market data, proof of reserves, insurance data, and then obviously the on-chain data marketplace, verifiable randomness, keepers and maintenance bots, expanded computation. So Chainlink does so many different things, and I don't think everyone really realizes that. So take a look at this and make sure to pause the video if you guys want to take a deeper look into this. I'm not going to read everything off, but there's so much good about what I'm seeing here, and I'm actually going to like this tweet as well. So if you guys want to jump into my likes on Twitter, you can definitely find this tweet there and take advantage of looking and seeing what Chainlink really does and why it's continuing to rise in value. So those are just the three that I wanted to show you there on, just a few reasons. Well, I guess just a few reasons why he's holding Link, but a few reasons why I'm holding Link. He has them described there as well. So jumping into the next thing we're going to look at is the actual website. So we're going to go a quick overview over Chainlink. Obviously, Chainlink 2.0 white paper is released. We're not going to read much into that, but we have talked about that in the past. That is a big, big deal. Obviously, Chainlink 2.0 is going to continue to make this price rise substantially. I think Chainlink itself is already an insane, really coin that's doing so much more than it's valued at. But we're going to continue on now. So connect your smart contract to the outside world. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network provides reliable, tamper-proof inputs and outputs for complex smart contracts on any blockchain. You go down a little bit more, you can see highly secure and flexible infrastructure, reliable tamper-proof network, seamless connection to any API, proven and time-tested solutions, as well as transparent Oracle computation. If you go down a little bit more, you can see what is Chainlink and why Chainlink, basically. And they talk more about the a couple different guides for how to get random numbers in an NFT, how to build a blockchain lottery, etc., etc. If we go down even more, you can see how to get involved through their grant programs and some Chainlink news. So it's just a lot of information here for you guys to really take a look at on the Chainlink website. I would take a look at some of the solutions. So this obviously includes DeFi and Chainlink VRF. There's just a lot here for you guys to really look at. If you go to the ecosystem and select the ecosystem overview, you can read more about how to become a data provider and the trusted by leading data providers, obviously including things like CoinGecko, Binance, some just big names all around. And you can see, Chainlink doesn't run with just the small people. They run with everybody. They continue to really improve and impress everybody around them. And that's why we're continuing to see this price increase, as well as really just new and more partnerships every single day. So we do see it at 41.65. It's not a shock that we're going down right now. If you guys take a look at the market, we see about a 4% decrease. So the market altogether right now is pretty much dying. When I say dying, I mean more or less consolidating and correcting. We see pretty much every coin going down right now, and this obviously includes Dogecoin. Did have its 32% increase, but for the most part, like I said, double-digit losers is a common thing right now in the market, as we have looks like 72 assets in the losers section on Coinbase, and in the gainer section we only have a few chunk of them, and that Chainlink is obviously included at that 2.72%. So we are seeing Chainlink actually kind of fight back against the current at the very least. So I do think we're going to see some good progress with Chainlink in the future. So let's jump into some of the predictions for Chainlink. We're going to be doing May, June, and 2021, so stick around as we talk about those. I do want to say, guys, I always try to keep my price predictions on the conservative side, try to keep them as realistic and reasonable as possible. So going into this, I think Chainlink easily by the end of May has a potential really to reach a $50 to $55 to $60 price point. I'm going to say $60 is where I think Chainlink will actually be by the end of May. I think it has potential to be $60 to $80, to be honest, but really, realistically, I want to stay, like I said, I want to be honest with you guys, be exactly transparent where I think these coins going to end up. I think $60 by the end of May is definitely a price target for us. Going into the end of June, I think $80 is our next price target. Definitely very, very big potential to be even more than that $80 price point. We only see a $17.5 billion market cap right now, and I think that is fairly low for what Chainlink is all capable of doing. We also see, like I said, the 24-hour volume, 3.8 billion. That's actually fairly high for this $17.5 billion market cap. It's because a lot of people are trading in and out right now, and that's why this price is so volatile. Like I said, we are now seeing a $42 price point, so we jumped right back up. We are continuing to see that kind of movement, and I do think we'll see that movement for the next couple of hours or days. But for the most part, by the end of 2021, I do think we will easily see a Chainlink price point of about $200 to $300. $200 being that, perfect price point, something that I definitely see happening. $300 being a potential possibility, and even more than that is honestly possible, but $200 is a for sure for me for Chainlink by the end of the year. That is going to be my price prediction. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree or disagree with my price prediction, as well as like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I really do appreciate every new subscriber and every viewer that has been here since the beginning as well. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one.